Hi everyone, Anne here from BowTieLearning. If you've ever wondered whether Microsoft Office Specialist certification is worth it, let me give you a statistic that may surprise you. Right now, just over 2 million people worldwide are MOS certified. That sounds like a lot, until you remember that there are over 1 billion Microsoft Office users globally. And what that means is less than 0.2% of users hold this credential. So, when you become certified, you'll immediately stand out, especially to employers who need people who can actually use Excel, Word and PowerPoint at a professional level. So why does it matter? MOS isn't just a badge. It proves you can solve real workplace problems, work faster and smarter, understand the tools properly, not just guess how to use them. And for students or early career professionals, it's a very simple way to jump to the top of the pile when CVs are being considered. Now the big question is, how do I actually pass the MOS exam on my first attempt? Well, that's exactly why we created BowTieLearning. Dave and I are retired lecturers from the Technological University in Dublin. We know how people learn. We've taught thousands of students to exam level, and we've built every course so you don't just learn Excel, you master the exact skills that Microsoft tests. Our MOS courses are only $47. The exam itself costs $100, so spending a small amount now to make sure you pass first time is simply smart. Inside every course you get clean, step-by-step videos, real MOS-style tasks, practice questions with full video solutions, exam-focused lessons based on the Microsoft objective domains. It's everything you need, nothing extra and nothing overwhelming. Try a taste of our teaching. We even give you a free guide to MOS certification and a free Excel course, so you can try our style before joining us. But honestly, the full course is where the real exam success happens. So, if you're ready to separate yourself from the crowd, boost your career, and join the top 0.2% of Excel users, come join us inside BowTieLearning. Let's get you MOS certified first time. All the links are below. See you in our courses.